Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you could back up your files on a specific game on the Steam store. So let's just say that you just got through a video game story mode and you want to back up your files. You don't necessarily want them to get deleted because you want to make free space for a video game perhaps. I'll show you how to back up the files. It's pretty easy, so let's get right in. Now, go ahead and look for the target game that you're going to want to go ahead and back up. Now, I'm going to choose Party Animals as a example for today's video, but click the little gearbox icon right here where my cursor is at. It's going to say manage, and then head over to manage and then head over down until you see the backup game files option. Now, all you got to go ahead and do is just click on it. When you do, it's going to ask you to choose a directory to create a backup file for this video game. It says create a backup of the game installation files that you can use to restore from later. This will not include game saves, configurations, or other clouded files, so keep that in mind. But basically, go ahead and click browse, select the folder. This is a good folder for me, and then go ahead and click create backup. Now, since backup failed, I need to update the video game first, but if you updated the video game, it'll go ahead and work for you. But yeah, that's basically how you go ahead and back up the files of a video game that you have on Steam. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I will see you all for the next one.